Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to add expenses to expense report. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add expenses to expense report on Workday, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Workday app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once you're logged in from your Workday homepage, click on the expenses application. If it's not visible, click on view all apps to find it. Then to create a new report, click create expense report, and to add expense to an existing report, locate the report under my expense report and click on it, and then click on edit. Now click on add button to add a new expense line, or choose new expense to add on an out-of-pocket expense. If you have corporate credit card transactions to reconcile, select credit card transactions. Then enter expense details like date, expense item, amount, receipt, memo, and work tax, and then itemize expenses. For examples like lodging, click edit and under daily expenses to itemize charges, example room rate, etc. Ensure the total amount matches the sum of itemized charges. After adding all expenses, review the report for accuracy and then click submit to send the report for approval. If you need to complete the report later, click on save for later. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.